Do you have questions on where Microsoft Cloud is heading, or just want to get a good perspective from Microsoft experts on what they think that's going to happen to the Microsoft Cloud? I know I do. So a really good place to go for that is the Microsoft Cloud Show. This is microsoftcloudshow.com, and it's hosted by a couple of experts who I've respected for a really long time now. Andrew Connell, Chris Johnson. Andrew's been teaching, speaking, writing on SharePoint for a really long time, a very respected member of the SharePoint community. Chris Johnson, also a great speaker, has been in the Microsoft market, the SharePoint market, and been a Microsoft employee before for a really long time. Very respectable guy himself as well. I think there's a lot of good information that you can get from this podcast. Here are the folks over here. That's Andrew. That's Chris. So going back to this homepage over here, for example, one of the things that people ask me all the time, personally I get this question a lot, is that what about the on-premise versus hosted scenario, right? Where is Microsoft heading? What are the perspectives from SharePoint experts, from SharePoint MVPs and Microsoft employees? Well, if you go into this podcast and download this thing, you can see their perspective and learn a lot from it. So you know, and you can go confidently towards the right direction. There's also a way in here to submit questions. You can go ahead and click on the send it in over here, and this will let you submit the questions that hopefully could appear in the next podcast. So I would definitely advise doing that. Now, a week ago in Microsoft Dev Intersection, SharePoint Dev Intersection, I should say to be exact, there was another episode that these guys did, and a lot of SharePoint MVPs, authors, speakers, and all from Dev Intersection all got together, including myself as well, and we talked about a lot of different things for Microsoft. Here's me here as well in the picture. So I would suggest also definitely look in this thing, because there was a lot of things discussed in many different perspectives talked about. I see Andrew and I see Chris doing these kinds of podcasts quite a bit in the future, with a lot of meeting information that a lot of folks out there could learn from. So I'm pretty excited about the Microsoft Cloud Show. I think you'll get excited about it as well. I would definitely advise checking it out. There's microsoftcloudshow.com.